Hello guys, nice to see you out here in the woods with me. It's a nice morning. When I looked at the thermometer this morning, it showed -7 degrees. That's a nice temperature to work out in the woods because it don't get so hot. So it's not that much now, about -2, 3 or something. Well, I'm trying to sort out this Google Plus things now these days, and it's getting a little bit smoother now. I suppose I need some time to cope with it. Anyhow, this new Google Plus thing, it's peanuts compared to what I experienced last night. I dreamt that the scientists had discovered that they were missing a letter in the Latin alphabet. Well, this new letter, it looked like a misformed spider or something. And they had dug it out from the soil on an archaeological site. Well, the conclusion they came up to was that 50% of the letter E in the books, documents, manuscripts all over the world had to be changed out with this new letter. And it was a complete chaos. And this Google Plus is peanuts compared to it. Okay. Enough of rubbish talk now. I'm out in the woods chopping some firewood for next year. When you walk around with your chainsaw like this, you get good time to think about things. The chainsaw is a marvelous tool, and you can do a lot of fun things with it. So today I was thinking about one thing. I need some new mulch on my flower beds, so I wanted to use wood chips. And what will be better than using this chainsaw to make it? So I will try to see if that could work. When you cut with a chainsaw, you get many different kinds of wood chips, and it all depends on which angle you cut the wood. And I can demonstrate what I mean. Okay, here I got the log, and if you cut on a straight angle, straight over, you'll get very short chips, and they look like this. And if you use this method and cut parallel with the wood, you will get very long chips that looks like this. Well, if you choose an angle just in between those two, you'll get another kind of chips that look like this. And those are the chips I want to try to do today. Here I got a nice pile of ash tree, half rotted, that's not suitable for firewood. So I've decided I'm gonna use this here to make wood chips for my flower beds. It don't look so much now, but after it's cut, I believe it's gonna be a quite big pile. So I can show it in the end of the video how much it turned out to be. Well folks, I only got a couple of hours left with good daylight, so I need to continue my work. So until I see you next time, be good to each other and have a nice time.